Hey, this is Andrew, and I want to show you the student grade tracker using C Sharp. Pretty cool little project here. Um, Only two files of code, and you could basically create this yourself. How it works, pretty simple. I mean, you got a couple of inputs, four different inputs here, starting off just with your name. Could be, my name's Andrew, so I'm gonna put in Andrew. Then we got three tabs here: assignment 1, assignment 2, and assignment 3. um, so what you need to do here is put a number between 0 and 100, or up to 100. And let's just go ahead and do that. 90, 67, and let's say 75. All right, so this is gonna, so we got two different outcomes as well, two buttons, two functions to calculate or clear if you want to clear it all. And it's going to give you back the average, the grade, and whether you passed or not that course, for example. So let's go ahead and calculate this, see how we did. So 77.3%, not bad, a B plus grade, and it indicates Andrew passed. Now, let's go ahead and clear that, right? And let's say what would happen if we put a number that's lower than 0, right? Or above 100. Is it gonna work? Well, let's see. Nope. Grades must be between 0 and 100, so no. Um, it, the code also has a function where um, you got to input valid a valid number has to be either greater than 0 or less than 100, or it's just not going to work. And yeah, pretty cool little project. Thanks for listening.